Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Car Info Update. Today is my topic about Volkswagen Tiguan. Volkswagen Tiguan is a compact SUV that has been in production since 2007. It is one of Volkswagen's most popular models and it has been praised for its spacious interior, comfortable ride and long list of features. Here are some of the key features of the Tiguan. Spacious interior. The Tiguan has a spacious interior that can comfortably seat 5 passengers. Cargo area is also very generous with up to 73.4 cubic feet of space with the rear seats folded down. Comfortable ride. Tiguan is a comfortable ride that makes it a good choice for long road trips. Suspension is well tuned and the seats are supportive. Long list of features. Tiguan comes with a long list of standard features including a touchscreen infotainment system, a rear view camera and a suite of driver assistance technologies. Available all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is available on all Tiguan models, which can improve traction in slippery conditions. Fuel-efficient engines. Tiguan is available with a variety of fuel-efficient engines, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a plug-in hybrid. Stylish and modern exterior. Tiguan has a stylish and modern exterior that is sure to turn heads overall. The Volkswagen Tiguan is a great choice for anyone looking for a spacious, comfortable, and feature-rich SUV. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Tiguan. Pros: spacious interior, comfortable ride, long list of features available, all-wheel drive, fuel-efficient engines, stylish and modern exterior. Some reviewers find the ride to be a bit firm, the infotainment system can be a bit slow, the rear seats can be a bit tight for adults. The plug-in hybrid model is expensive. I hope you liked this video of mine. Till then, goodbye, see you in another video.